We are in tax free, trying not to buy some strange, weird liqueur. It's not going really well.
I live in Stockholm City and bike everywhere. All my clothes are vintage, I mix up socks and underwear. I'm a dresser between jobs, gay and vegan too. I hope the stories of my life will entertain you.
Welcome to Stories of My Life. I'm still in bed. It's 11:45 in the, 12 noon. Today I am going to get up and I'm going to get packing because my friend Magnus and I, oh God, I've been up for hours but haven't been talking. We're going to take a cruise to Gotland, which is the biggest island outside of Sweden. Swedish island outside of Sweden. Or anywhere in Sweden, inside or outside. It's in Sweden. I'm rambling now. Anyway, I'm going to get up, I'm going to take a shower, I'm going to pack my toiletries, and then I'm going to pack everything else, and then I'm going to get on my bike and meet Magnus in 3 hours. So, and somewhere I need to eat. Goodbye. Also, I'm having the time of my life. I really enjoy packing. I sort of like, it's puttering about, sort of fine. This is my toiletries. These are sort of wipes, and this is something you can spray on your pillow, which make it sort of smell like lavender, makes you sleep. This is just some oil if you're really dry. Here is Fisherman's Friend. I thought I'd bring these. These I got on the train the last time we were out when the train was late. But you could need water. You could need a raw bite. This is electronics. This is extra batteries. 2 wine glasses in plastic because I think we might drink some wine, and I don't think they have any glasses in the room because they want you to eat outside. Also, these great galoshes, umbrella, and a raincoat from Lidl. This is a windbreaker. This is a t-shirt, sandals, swimming shorts, and a shirt that sort of matches if I'm feeling sort of tropical. Underwear, tank top, socks. This is something Magnus taught me, to bring an extra pillowcase, because if you don't have enough pillows, you can put your clothes into and have an instant sort of pillow. Sort of pajamas, sleeping mask, and I've got earplugs here for the first time because, there's a question of snoring. I need to pack some more stuff. First, I thought I'd pack in this, which is sort of this is not a carry-on. I don't think we're not flying, but I mean it's not the size of a carry-on. So I think I'll go up here, get out one of my 3. Oh, no, this is a smaller one. Sort of trunks from from IKEA. Trunks? Last time I had this when we were in Hannah's son, so I thought I might bring this instead. This seems to be slightly bigger, but I'm not sure. Anyway, this one you can turn into a backpack if need be. So, yeah. A little fun to take out the old girl again. It's time to get going. It was quite an inexpensive cruise when we booked it 2 weeks ago, but now something has happened. I guess the closer you get to the departure, the price goes up. So now it's 3 times as expensive as when we bought the tickets, which makes me feel fantastic. Magnus, talking to someone? Parked our bikes and now we're going to get in here. Oh, we missed all the people. There was a crowd coming here, but possibly the boat has left already. So there's a check-in here. It used to be that you had to talk to a person, but this is so much nicer or quicker.
He thought that wouldn't be a queue. I'm not sure if we're allowed on board or what. Well, the other people are waiting. We're not allowed on board. In 15 minutes.
To all travelers. Right now the waiting hall on the upper floor is crowded. We will open the gate again shortly.
One of the actors on board here, we're going to watch him sing tonight.
Ja, det är det. Nu jävlar, vi åker av.
We could have had this room, but we have. Goodbye. Oh, but we've got this room.
Tänkte så här året ett tag. Eller sa han det?
This is a great room. I think we had a room that was twice this size once.
Det är lite så här, ju mer man packar upp.
So, what are we doing now?
Going up to see us leave. Oh, departure.
Departure. Fine. Fabulous. People, we are leaving and we want to go outside, but possibly we can't.
Short blast, followed by one long blast. The alarm sounds like this. At your assembly station, the crew will provide you with further information and guide you to the lifeboats. Life jackets are available at every assembly station and outside closed tunnels. Lösgör de två tunnade banden i västen händer det sig uppmärksamhet. Ljuset tänds automatiskt i kontakt med vatten. All important safety information is also found in the setting önskar er en trevlig resa med oss på NSC Gotland.
kommer in på 50 va?
People I found they have I can sweet potato fries with vegan mayo, and also vegan baguette. This sounds fantastic.
Oh, it's just the same bloody island. Oh my god. Oh, we're going very much up.
Food people, food people. We are in tax-free, trying not to buy some strange, weird liqueur. It's not going really well.
De här är väl special edition.
Your name is Magnus.
Yes, and I learned there is something called the Magnus effect.
What is the Magnus effect?
Well, it is very simply said, if you throw a ball, or maybe if you kick a football and it goes like a curve, and the thing is that when something is spinning around, that it does then it does a curve because of the spinning, and that is the Magnus effect.
Can you explain a little bit better?
No.
I am on the lookout for coffee. Oh my god, look at this view. Oh, you see anything? No, possibly not.
Vi måste öva på bustling, så är det bara.
We have something called Pour Tour, which means you get a second cup of coffee for free. Please close the door. Yeah, thank you.
Well, he was out of work, just minding his day. Then a friend from said, come right away, I'm moving on. I've got a new plan, but I don't know you'll be perfect. You're the dresser man.